Okay, we've got the AllDay Mall 7-inch kids tablet with kids mode already installed, so they're restricted on what they can do. Assuming that it's all adjustable if need be. It's got Wi-Fi, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gig of storage, and runs on a quad-core 1.2 gigahertz. I think it's an all-winner chip on this one. And it comes with a silicone case, so to protect the sides. So let's have a little look inside and see what it's like. I've gone for the red one. They do it in blue, green and pink as well. I went for red. There's a nice box there, quite a plain looking box, but nice nevertheless. And there we have it. Right, looks like you have your power adapter. So it's not a USB charge, it's got its own power adapter there. We've got a USB socket, slot, no not a slot, USB cable, and what looks like a OTG cable as well. So that's quite a good inclusion. Let's get to the tablet in a sec. Pop this to one side. And what do we have? We have a little instruction guide, just a quick guide there. And this one is in Russian, Japanese, Brazilian. Okay. Oh, English. There we go. Get to know your tablet. So just showing you about the camera, where all the ports and buttons are. I'll put that to one side as well. So this is it. This is the tablet. So the silicone should just pop off, like so. And there we have it. I'll put it upside down. Well, for you anyway. So here we are. So please peel off before application. Before application of what? Well, that just peels off. Okay, so I don't know what that's for. Usually for a screen protector, but there doesn't seem to be one on there. I don't think, but never mind. So let's have a little look around it. On the back here you've got a little speaker. Little camera there. I believe it's probably a 2 megapixel camera. It normally is. So you've got a 2 megapixel camera on the back. And yep, there's one on the front as well. USB, micro USB, your charging slot, power on. Headphones, volume up and down, and a little micro SD card slot there. And that is all your buttons. So if we see if there's any power in it, let me get rid of that sticker. Well, it looks like there's power in it. You can see. Very interesting startup sound there. So just waiting for it to boot. Any second now. And we're there. Not the brightest screen. Let's see if we can do anything with that. So 4 9s are 30. And we're in. Glad I got the maths question right there. And brightness. Right, let's turn it up. And there we go. You can see that's a lot better now. So the screen looks pretty good. I mean, not exactly great viewing angles, but if it's for your kid, then there's no problem with that at all. And like I say, it's got the kids mode pre-installed, so you can automatically boot up into kids mode, so they're not got access to all the features of the tablet, just what you want them to be able to use. So I'm going to give it a good test, see what it's like, see how it runs, and let you know how it performs below. Thanks.